Hey everyone! The MOVA S70 Ultra Roller is one of the brand's most ambitious flagship robot vacuum cleaners, and its biggest selling point is not simply high suction power or smart navigation. The real innovation is the way it handles wet cleaning. The package includes a large multifunctional docking station that acts as a complete maintenance center for the robot. It does much more than simply recharge the battery. Once cleaning is finished, the robot returns to the station and the automated maintenance process begins. The station is equipped with a 5-liter clean water tank and a 4.5-liter dirty water tank, giving the system plenty of capacity for regular household cleaning. The automatic detergent dispenser is another welcome feature because you do not have to manually add a cleaning solution every time you start a wet cleaning cycle. After washing, the roller is dried using air heated to as much as 70 degrees Celsius. The station can also wash the roller with water heated to as much as 100 degrees Celsius. However, the most interesting part of the system is that the robot itself also contributes to keeping the roller clean while it is working. During wet cleaning, fresh water is continuously delivered to the rotating roller through 12 water outlets. That approach makes a major difference in how the S70 Ultra Roller handles wet cleaning. Traditional robot mops are essentially automated versions of wiping a floor with a damp cloth. The rotating roller also receives substantial downward pressure, rated at up to 17 kilograms. That pressure helps the roller make stronger contact with the floor and gives it a better chance of removing dried stains, footprints, food marks, and other stubborn contamination. Carpet cleaning has also been carefully considered. When the robot detects carpet, its wet cleaning roller can be lifted by approximately 12 millimeters. For dry cleaning, the S70 Ultra Roller is equally well equipped. The robot offers suction power of up to 32,000 pascals, placing it firmly in the high-performance flagship category. The S70 Ultra Roller also has impressive obstacle and threshold capabilities. Navigation and software are another important part of the experience. Once the maps are created, cleaning can be customized on a room-by-room basis. You can select the suction power, washing intensity, and number of cleaning passes for individual rooms, allowing high-traffic areas to receive more attention, while bedrooms or lightly used rooms can be cleaned more gently. The combination of continuous fresh water delivery, mechanical roller cleaning, dirty water extraction, and strong downward pressure gives the S70 Ultra Roller a fundamentally different approach to floor washing. The self-cleaning station completes that concept. After the cleaning cycle, the robot can return to the dock, empty its collected dust, wash the roller with very hot water, dry it with heated air, replenish detergent when necessary, and recharge itself. Overall, the MOVA S70 Ultra Roller is a genuinely premium robot vacuum with a strong focus on automated wet cleaning. Its dry cleaning performance is already impressive thanks to the powerful suction and well-designed brush system, but the roller-based mopping technology is what gives this model its identity. The biggest appeal, ultimately convenience. You're getting a robot that can vacuum, wash, maintain its own cleaning roller, empty its dust container, manage clean and dirty water, add detergent, dry the roller, and recharge itself with minimal human involvement. That level of automation is exactly what you expect from a modern flagship robot vacuum, and the MOVA S70 Ultra Roller delivers it, while taking wet cleaning in a much more serious direction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.